Leo, this is your channel messages for the 18th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Leo, this is your channel song. I have to get it right, you know. Maria, Maria, you remind me of a West Side Story. Growing up in Spanish Harlem, she's living the life just like a movie star. Oh, Maria, Maria, she fell in love in East LA to the sound of the guitar, played by Carlos Santana. Stop the looting, stop the shooting, picking pocket on the corner. As the rich is getting richer, the poor is getting poorer. See my Maria on the corner, thinking of ways to make it better. In my mailbox eviction letter, somebody just said, see you later. Matia, mamatia. Matia, mamatia. Mamazia, mamazia. Maria reminds me of a West Side Story. Growing up in Kingston, she's living a life just like a movie star. Oh, Maria, Maria, he fell in love in East LA to the sound of the guitar, played by Carlos Santana. Okay, so let's just stop it right there, Leo. So I'm getting, first of all, someone comes from Spanish. You're 20? You're 20? Baby girl, I love you, baby girl. Stop saying that. I'm not your fucking Spanish teacher, okay? Come on, estás, baby girl. And stop it, okay? You're too young for me. You're not your fucking Spanish teacher, okay? I'm getting, first of all, Leo, someone's Spanish. They're Spanish descent. Or maybe I'll find out say you have Spanish blood in you, Leo. What else I was wanting to say? Also, Leo, getting... Fuck, Leo, I had so much messages. Played by Carlos and... Oh, somebody's name is Carlos. We're getting somebody named Carlos, if that's the name, a Spanish person. And to all you niggers out there who... Oh, whoa, no, you can't be saying that. No, yo, that's mad disrespectful. You cannot be saying shit like that, man. No, but I'm Spanish. Yay! Okay, so I'm getting somebody named Carlos. we're dealing with the Spaniards here. The Spaniards. Speaking of Spanish, even though it is Colombian, it's not Spanish. But I'm just saying, child marriages have officially been banned in Colombia. No more child marriages. If only India could catch up to this. So, yeah, child marriage has officially been banned. And I know that, even though not everybody who's Spanish speak the same Spanish, right? But again, really going back to the song, see Maria on the corner, finding of ways to make things better. So I'm getting something about a lot of prostitution. No, to me, some of the, like Cuba, some of the Spanish country, them coming exactly like Jamaica. The only difference is them speak Spanish. And I know in a lot of Spanish countries, prostitutions are very high. See my Maria on the corner, trying to figure out ways to make it better. She think about she have to sell her body. She think about blood clot, I have to sell my pitney. What the fuck me need to think about now? So I'm just saying, when you see Maria, leave Maria alone. Leave Maria alone. Leave her alone. You don't know what she have been through. She living the life just like a movie star. Oh, Maria, Maria. So I'm getting, you're going to go somewhere, you're going to fall in love with a Spanish girl, a Spanish guy, or I'm getting something, you're going to fall in love with the guitar. Antique scar, like a Spanish guitar. Yeah, I'm getting somebody Spanish and play guitar. Them is a musician. Like a Spanish guitar, something like that, okay? So let us go ahead and go into your reading, Leo. We're going into your freehand reading, your channel messages. We're going to see what your overall message is, and then we're going to go into your reading. Overall message is a Sagittarius. Doom, doom, doom. So today is the 18th of November. Sagittarius, I know we're going into your season. A very special Sagittarius is born tomorrow. November the 19th. Okay, but nevertheless, Sagittarius, you're coming up in Leo's reading. So your overall message is the angel. All right? So I'm getting an angel Spanish. That's what you're asking. All right? Or she or he is bilingual. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. We have the Knight of Pentacles coming out first. All right, so I'm getting something that has been in the making for at least 1 to 3 years. Now, this could be something like a hidden bank account, or I'm getting something about a Spanish identity. All right, from the Three of Swords. Yeah, you're going to be very surprised to find out where you come from. I'm getting you come from some type of Spanish country, maybe Venezuela. Does Venezuela ring a bell to you? If it's not Venezuela, I'm getting... I don't know. I'm getting Venezuela for some reason. So I'm getting something about documents. No, I'm going to say something to you. If you were born in another country, I'm getting when you board the plane and came to a new country, your mother or your father take away your documents. I'm getting a Spanish. Or something about the Spanish movie star. Something about the next Selena or something like that. But I'm getting something has been in the making for a year now, and I'm getting, there's a heartbreak here. Maybe we'll find out that your whole identity was a lie, okay? We have the angel again, Sagittarius. Come on, Leo. You might be dealing with a Sagittarius. As I said, tomorrow is a very special Sagittarius birthday. We have Sagittarius coming out 2 times. So I'm getting you going to find out something about a Sagittarius. I'm getting, okay, so the person might be a Sagittarius, Leo. Is it that this is you or this is something about a Sagittarius? You're going to find out. So I'm getting a Sagittarius or twins. Something about twin Sagittarius brothers. And if that's not it, I'm getting something about where you will find out about a Sagittarius. I'm getting a Sagittarius had a helping hand playing a part in you not getting something or you being abandoned when it came on to an engagement you were supposed to be a part of. Yeah, we have the 5 of Wands. Yeah, I'm getting something about a Sagittarius. I'm getting is a Sagittarius. Leo. I don't know what happened here. I have Sagittarius 2 times here fighting. Because I don't know what this is. Unless you're going to say that and I have the wrong person. Because here the Sagittarius just started reading. Now over here, so where you're going to find out the heartbreak about. You're going to find it out about the Sagittarius again. So I'm getting something what the Sagittarius did to you. Maybe somebody wanted a job opportunity or they wanted you to not compete with them, so them got rid of you. Or me getting somebody never want you have something, so apparently there's another person who look like you, who is somewhere here. We have Sagittarius 2 times. I feel like a lot of shit that's been happening, a lot of attacks that you're getting it from a Sagittarius. So let me say this, right? I said this for a fucking fact. Now, the first thing I would like to tell fucking Scarborough is any man where you say, first of all, I am single. I am a divorcee, but I am single, right? You say any man you see a blood clot claim me, any man your blood clot see a hackle out my blood clot, any man you see a stalk me out and me not chat nothing about them, it's not because I fuck them, I call them no how my pussy juice taste. Every single one. You say any man you see a stalk out my blood clot right now, as you speak right now. Any man you see stalk out my clot right as we're recording this reading at 5:20 a.m. right now. Any man you see stay so, I call them no my clot pussy juice taste. You hear me tell you? You hear me can tell you? This is the why. Men act different when they get my liquids inside of their mouth. I'll fucking tell you that. Also, on top of that, Sagittarius, let me just say, you can't vex with me because I left you because you have a woman. You had a wife back in your country. Why are you upset because I know one day with a married man? That's what I don't understand. This is what I don't understand with this country. They're okay with letting their daughters and nieces get raped and get molested by their own fathers and uncles. But for some reason, they want you to be with a married man. You can't vex with me, Sagittarius. You can't be upset with me. As a matter of fact, no blood clot man can really be upset with me. I stalk and stalk because I don't want to taste some pussy juice with blood clot taste. I'm telling you, almost any of the man them what you say, I'm telling you, them suck me, I never them fuck me. They saw how my taste, and that is what keeps them coming back. It's the nectar of my pussy juices. That's why them so obsessed with me. I'm not chat about them, because I make them taste how my nectar they taste. So on top of that, you can't vex with me coming on one day with you because you have a wife in another country. I don't date married men, and I don't date committed man. So if I'm there with you, I find out you have a girlfriend, I'm not going to chat to you again. So you can't blood clot vex with me. You had a married woman back in your country that you plan to marry and bring to Canada. You can't vex with blood clot me coming on one day with a married man. I was in love with married man. You fucking know, sweetie. Married man in love with blood clot me. Married man want my body, I consider divorce. I coulda. What's a me say boy, I don't know. Anytime, golden girl with a golden, oh, that's why my blood clot was a golden. So Sagittarius, I should say, before you start all this confusion and fighting, you should change the narrative that somebody left you for somebody else. Somebody did not leave you for somebody else, sir. You had a woman in your country where you tell a girl say you're gonna bring her a blood clot kinda. So why am I still fucking you? Why am I still entertaining a man who has a woman back in his country? Thank you very much. So let's continue the fucking reading. So I'm getting you with a Spanish person now, okay? Or something about the Spanish Sagittarius you deal with. We have a 10 of swords walking away, as you fucking should. You're going around calling my fucking name and all type of shit. You're fucking vexed because you never get to taste my blood clot nectar again. This is what these men are not telling you. They're not telling you that after the fact that they're stalking out my blood clot, that they must send people for do whatever they want to do and say to me when them see me up on road. I call pussy juice why you so blood clot, man. You don't know some pussy juice will mad you. That's why you can't get over my name. That's why everywhere you go, you have people of blood clot torment me and people of blood clot storm me out. You cannot get over the juices between your blood clot teeth that you didn't floss. I'm sorry. No, you probably get over it. You want me to talk to blood clot married man? What I look like I talk to married man for? But don't have a child, I look at my blood clot body stay. No, me for go waste my life on a nigga who waste him life and a bitch him never want. No. So I'm getting, you're going to find out why all of this is being delayed, why all of this is being stalled. It's being stalled because of a Sagittarius. We have Sagittarius 2 times here, twice. So I don't know who said something and now they want to retract them statement because them get catch now. One more and I'm going to leave the reading here. Yes, 6 of swords. That's why she left you, because you had a woman. She left. And you're going to be upset. Oh, she left and she didn't tell me. She left without saying anything. She left and she didn't even tell me goodbye. Why you not tell a woman in the other country goodbye? Remember, you were supposed to left the woman where you claim say you left in another country. Because you claim say you come here and you start a new life. That's what you said, didn't you? And then I found you texting that woman from your country that was rightfully here, blood clot first. So why the fuck me I pursue you when I know you have a woman? Why would I pursue you when I know you have a woman? Right now, I just Spanish nigga want to come on, Einstein. Come on, I'm not your fucking Spanish teacher. Don't fucking talk to me in Spanish. Let's get some cards and we'll leave it here. So leave Maria in our West Side story. We have Guru coming out first, Sagittarius, even though this is Leo's reading. We have Magic. We have Genius IQ. We have One Way, and we have 1111. Again, something about a Sagittarius, something about 2 Sagittariuses, or something about this match, this pairing. Or I'm getting you're a sun, Sagittarius, somebody else have Sagittarius in another node. So your charts might have, your charts may be very similar or the opposite of each other. Your sun is another person's, another node or something like that. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.